Hey guys, welcome to the tutorial where we'll explain how you can add a chatbot to your Shopify store. So let's jump into it. First of all, open up your browser and search for Chatbot. Once the site loads, go ahead and log in. Now on the left-hand side of your screen, you'll see a section called Explore GPTs. Click on it. This is where custom AI assistants live. Next, in the search bar at the top, simply type Shopify Sidekick. Once you hit enter, you'll see a bunch of GPTs designed specifically for Shopify store management. Choose one that fits your needs, ideally one that handles customer queries, product help, or support automation. Click on the one you want, and you'll be taken to its details page. Here, it will tell you exactly what the chatbot does, for example, helping with customer facts, giving product details, guiding checkout issues, and more. Once selected, you can start chatting with it to test responses or integrate its logic into your workflow, using the API or plugin setup provided in its description. So how does this help you? With a Shopify GPT chatbot, you can automate responses to customer queries, save time by reducing manual support, improve user experience on your store, get real-time help with Shopify-related issues, customize it to suit your brand tone.